to This Week in Privacy. Let's dive into the latest privacy-related developments. 2 weeks ago, a sophisticated cyber attack targeted former Egyptian MP Ahmed Eltantawy. Here is a technical breakdown of the incident. Between May and September 2023, former Egyptian MP Ahmed Eltantawy fell victim to a targeted cyber attack employing Cytrox Predator spyware. This attack occurred shortly after Eltantawy announced his presidential candidacy for 2024. He received deceptive SMS and WhatsApp messages containing malicious links. Had he clicked on those links, it would have initiated the installation of the Predator spyware on his mobile phone. However, a more covert method was also at play. When Eltantawy browsed non-HTTPS websites using the Vodafone's Egypt network, he became a victim of network injection. This means that his regular web traffic was silently rerouted without his knowledge. A device, likely a middle box within the Vodafone's network, redirected him to the harmful websites designed to deploy the spyware. Given the evidence and Egypt's known ties to Cyprox, it is strongly suspected that the Egyptian government orchestrated this cyber attack. In response to such threats, at Malloc, we have introduced a new feature in the Malloc mobile app, which, beyond blocking spyware, it also allows you to block non-HTTPS websites and secures on your online traffic. So if a similar incident were to occur, you will be safeguarded. Until next week, stay safe and protect your online privacy.